On today's episode of, I don't know what, tiny cars, tiny trucks, RC stuff, go for broke racing, we are going to take the 45 millimeter shocks off the front that have no springs as of right now. They are rubber banded down so that the front end would stay solid. But now I need a little bit of travel. So we will be replacing them with the RC Lions. And they come in a 33 millimeter. They look like the Proline Big Bores, but they're just a little one millimeter longer, but they're oil filled. So let's get down to business. Check this bad boy out. Cap's on a little bit tight, but it's okay. I don't see any rubber seal of any sort, but maybe we don't need it. So 15 weight, and it's a Team Losi Racing. Let's see. Sometimes there's a plug in it. There we go. So we start with a couple drops in there. Move the piston up and down a little bit. And then there'll be bubbles. So sorry I'm shaking the table, but I'm trying to get the little bubbles out.